Hi, friends, it's Donzella. If you like easy, budget friendly recipes and low sodium recipes, if you're watching your diet or if you have high blood pressure, um, please join me in my kitchen. Subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you to join me. So, today, right now, I am prepping a Cornish hen that I have removed the skin and I have cleaned it. And so I'm going to season it and I'll bake it in the oven 350 for about an hour. So right now I'm just going to prep this. I will not be showing the finished um, hen in this video, but I will show it in another video. So join me in my kitchen. Subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you to join me and like and share. Okay, so right now I have my chicken. I removed all the skin. I am on a low sodium diet because I have high blood pressure. So I'm using all um, Mrs. Dash seasoning for my chicken. And I'll also be using a little bit of this complete seasoning on my chicken because it actually has 90 milligrams of sodium per quarter tablespoon. So I won't use too much. But chicken, it's a little bland if you don't have some type of salt on it. And I don't particularly care for the artificial salt. It's not recommended by my doctor. So I'm going to start out with some onion powder. And we're going to put some Mrs. Dash. I'm going to use a little bit of this lemon pepper. Also going to use this Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning blend. It's a grilling blend, but it tastes really good. Also going to put some of this inside my guy here. And we're going to turn him over and we're going to season the back. All right, friends, another thing I forgot. Just a minute. I need to put a little olive oil on my chicken. There we go. I'm just using some regular olive oil. Some paprika. I'll put that on the back of him. And I'll put just a little bit. I'm going to put this complete seasoning in my hand like that. And just rub a little bit on him. So I'm going to just turn him over. Oops. Make sure you can see that. Turn him over. There's a little more olive oil here. And then we'll go on some more with Mrs. Dash. Black pepper. And one more paprika on the front. Just going to massage all this in. And on the inside, I've cut up some onions. I'm going to stuff some onions in here. And then I also have in here some green onions, bell pepper, garlic, and more onion. And this is what's going to go inside our guy here. Just stuff it up in there. I'm also going to use the rest of this and I'm going to put it around my chicken. Just like that. Okay. A little garlic powder on top of there. A little garlic powder here. A little more onion powder. Alright. And just massage it in, friends. Don't be afraid of your food, your chicken. He's not going anywhere except for in the oven in just a few minutes and I'll Cook him on 350 for about an hour, uncovered. And then the juices with all these vegetables have some wonderful juice to it. Okay. And I'm going to put just a little bit of water in the bottom. Just a little bit. Okay. Let's add a little bit more complete seasoning for the part. Just like that. All right. Just had to wash my hands, friends, and that is how I prep my Cornish hens. There's many ways you can cook your Cornish hen, but this is the way I do mine. Um, my low sodium version of it, and I do remove the skin because I do not like the chicken skin. And this will go in the oven. And friends, thank you for joining me in my kitchen today, watching me as I prep my little Cornish hen here. And I will be making another video when I have my hen all done and ready to eat. Have a blessed day, friends. And again, if you like low sodium recipes, heart healthy recipes, that's what I will be making, and also budget friendly. So join me in my kitchen, Miss Donzella Cooks, and subscribe to my channel. And give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Okay? Have a good day, friends.